Hey guys, hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're definitely welcome, and if this is not your first time, you're definitely welcome as well. Make sure to like this video at the end of watching it, and if you find it helpful, make sure to join the family by subscribing, and most importantly, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on all the fun content that I have planned coming up for you guys. So in today's video, I am so excited. I am going to be unboxing my new camera. I am so stoked about it. So far I have used like 2 cameras before I finally decided on this one. I pre-ordered it. This is the Sony A7IV. It's the new one that came out. I pre-ordered it in October and it took about like 2 months. I just received it literally in the mail. I had to quickly throw on some makeup and film this because all the previous ones that I did, I haven't I didn't do a sit down unboxing video, and I feel really bad about it because I really wanted to give you guys my opinion as a content creator using those cameras. But yeah, I did do a little. If you've been watching all my vlogs, you would have seen me talk about the one I was using in the meantime, which was the Sony ZV-1. But now I am going to be unboxing my new camera. I am so excited, guys. This has been, oh yeah, I mean, I just gifted myself. This is Christmas, so I deserve it. Anyways, before I received the camera, I did buy like some lenses. So the lens I got is this one would be for vlogging. This is the Sony 24mm f2.8 lens. I'll be using this for vlogging. And then I also got the Sony 50mm f1.8 for pictures for my clients and whenever I do like makeup tutorials, mostly just for pictures because I really like the effect that the 50mm gives. I might use it sometimes for sit down videos because I really like how it blurs out the background. Like this one now, I don't know if it's blurring the background or not which is just so crazy. This is the lens. I'm just gonna put this aside and show you guys the main cocoa why you guys are here. And for that, I'm gonna switch to my phone camera so that you guys can keep on seeing my pretty face.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, another day. Don't feel
nice. Like these guys, I don't know, they've just been tracking me everywhere. I've been getting their emails on my mailbox, and okay, I'm gonna finally try you guys out because I have a coupon. So let me do that. Oh, this is it. Oh, that's all. I was like actually expecting them to have.
Watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. End of the day, you got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. You got me into go dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe.
Oh, and it's touch screen. Oh, this is so good. Let me put on my lens. The battery is actually low, so I'm gonna charge it and then I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like. This is what it's looking like. Wow! Oh, this feels so good. Like this, I mean, it's slightly heavy, but the grip is like really good. I think I can definitely get used to it. But it's showing that the battery is like really low, so I'm gonna plug it for a couple of hours so that, you know, it brings like, it comes to life, and then I'll be trying out my lens. I'm tempted to try it out now. Actually, let me do that now. So I'm gonna turn this off. This is what came in the box. When you hear that sound, you know that it's connected, and this is what it looks like. So let's try turning it on. It's definitely heavy. It's not a vlogging camera, unfortunately. Wow, I'm not even like stressing myself. I'm not putting my hand too far. It's heavy, guys. It's like you definitely need like major support when you're using this. But I like that it's capturing like everywhere. Like everything is showing. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna plug it in to charge. Bear in mind, I am not a photographer. I'm just a content creator, and I know the stuff is really expensive for just content creation, so I am looking into going into like proper photography, like doing like professional shots for some of my classmates who want to change their LinkedIn like profiles and stuff, and then eventually going into the space of beauty photography. So that's why I invested into this. Plus, you know, from what I heard, the quality is supposed to be like mad. I am just gonna go stop talking and plug this to charge so I can quickly come back. Oh, okay, so let me show you. So you click this and then you pull like that for it to open, and that's where you pull your memory card and stuff. And then here, as I showed you guys, is the battery compartment, and then these are all the cables. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in to charge. But I'm so happy, guys. I am so happy and super grateful that, you know, I was able to get this. And I was checking online again, and I just noticed that all the prices went up. Like on Amazon, just body alone, it's like $3,006, you know, dollars. So I'm happy I got it at the pre-order price before it came out. Hey guys, so this is the 50mm lens. This is what it's looking like. Remember, I don't have all of my lighting set up, but this is what we're working with. It's not bad, if I must say so myself. This is what we're looking like with the 24mm lens. I am holding on this light just because it's a little bit dark, but yeah, I think I like it. I like that it's showing like everything. I just wish I could play around with, I don't know, for some weird reason I haven't quite figured out how to change my aperture on this one. So bear in mind that I recently switched from Canon, and I don't know, I just miss Canon because I just feel like it's easy to use. The menus are straightforward. Yes, so guys, I finally figured out how to change the f-stop. So there's a screw thingy just in front by the hand grip, so that's where you change it. But yeah, I think I'm loving the way it looks. I am definitely going to play around with it more. I have so many lights, and I think I'm not just strategically placing them, so that's why I'm not like really digging the quality. So I'm actually going to move my seat to the other side and see if that makes any difference. This feels so good. The camera is literally here, like I'm not even that far. It just feels good. Like it feels honestly really good. So this is with all my lighting strategically placed. But yeah, that's basically everything with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, and of course join the family by subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So one thing I did notice, I just filmed like a full video, and that took like literally 30 minutes, and the camera just went off and it said internal temperature high, and I'm like, that is just so stupid. You spend so much money trying to get a camera, and then it tells you camera like I hope this is not what I'm going to be dealing with, because I have no energy for this at all. Yeah, so that was what it did, and then I turned it off and turned it back on, and it's working right now. But I just wanted to chip that in because that was what I just noticed. I think that's basically everything. If I notice any other thing, I'll just make a short clip and insert it in today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.